wondered how you can move a sprite across a screen? If you notice that when we drag and drop our sprite around the screen, the numbers at the bottom seem to change. The numbers have a label called X and Y and little arrows made next to them that say whether it is going up and down or right and left. But what does that really mean? In mathematics, we have a concept called coordinates that computer programmers use to move an object around the screen. In Scratch, you can imagine that in the middle of the screen are the coordinates 0 and 0. That means X is 0 and Y is 0 at the center of the screen. But how can I use the coordinate system to move Scratch? Now if I head on over to the motion section and drag out a change X by 10 block and click on it, Scratch will change X by 10 or move across the X-axis by 10 coordinates. Or even easier, Scratch will move right by 10 steps. In this program, Scratch can move a total of 240 steps from the center of the screen. And how can I move left? I simply change X by -10 and Scratch will start moving left by 10 steps or moving -10 across the X-axis. We can use coordinates to make Scratch go to a particular spot. Now, if I want Scratch to go to the center of the screen, I am going to make it go to coordinate X and Scratch will teleport to the center of the screen. If I want Scratch to go to the right, I put in the X coordinate 240 and there you have it. Scratch is on the right of the screen. Similarly, if I want to make Scratch go left or appear on the extreme left side of the screen, I simply make it go to the coordinate -240X and there you have it. Scratch is now on the left side of the screen. If I want to move Scratch the cat up and down, I will use the Y coordinate. If I head over to the motion section and pull out a change Y by 10 block and click on it, Scratch the cat will go up 10 steps to a maximum of 180 steps. If I want to move Scratch down, all I need to do is change Y by -10 and Scratch will start coming back down or moving down the Y-axis. The maximum number of negative steps that Scratch the cat can move is -180. Now remember, if I want to make Scratch go to the center of the screen, I can use a go to block and this will always place Scratch the cat back in the center. If I want to place Scratch at the top of the screen, I can simply make it go to the Y coordinate 180. If I want to make Scratch go to the bottom of the screen, all I need to do is make Scratch the cat go to the Y coordinate -180.